Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to deactivate a group chat in Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger and locate the group chat you want to deactivate. Go ahead and click on it to open the conversation. This will bring up the full chat interface where you can access all the group settings and controls. Once you're inside the group chat, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see an information icon there, typically represented by a small I inside a circle. Click on this icon to access the group settings and details. This is where you'll find all the options for managing members and chat preferences. After clicking the information icon, a menu will appear with various options. Look for the option that says See Chat Members and click on it. This will display a complete list of everyone currently in the group chat, giving you access to manage each member individually. Now comes the important part. You'll need to remove each member from the group one by one. Click on any member's name from the list and you'll see an option that says Remove from Group Chat. Go ahead and click on it to remove that person from the conversation. This ensures they'll no longer have access to the group or receive any messages from it. You'll need to repeat this process for every single member in the group chat. Click on the next member, select Remove from Group Chat, and continue doing this until you've removed everyone. This step is crucial because you can't fully deactivate the group unless all other members have been removed first. Take your time going through each person on the list to make sure no one is left behind. Once you've successfully removed all the members and you're the only one left in the group, go back to the main chat settings. Now you'll see an option that says Leave Chat. Click on this option to remove yourself from the group. Since you're the last remaining member, leaving the chat will effectively deactivate the entire group conversation. And that's it, you've successfully deactivated your Facebook Messenger group chat by removing all members and leaving yourself. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.